Just connect. Yes, it is on.
Hello everyone, welcome to yet another exciting session of Rajasthan Studio. Today we're going to learn the art of dot mandala art, and I hope we have a lot of participants joining us. I hope you all are having a good Tuesday. And to have a smoother session, I would request all of you to turn on your camera so that we can see what you are creating. And and for a smoother conduct, I would request you all to please mute the cameras. And if you have any questions, please shoot up in the message chat session so that our artist Shreya can help you with your queries. Before we start the session, I would like to give a small introduction about Shreya. So Shreya is a self-taught artist who is from Bangalore, and she uses art as a tool to de-stress her. Ever since her childhood, she has been inclined towards art, and she's been practicing many arts, not just the dot mandala. Like she's been practicing drawing, sketching, painting, DIYs, doodling, Zentangle, mandala, and lot more. During the lockdown, she has had a very thrilling, exciting experience. She has taught more than 100 students, and that were various art forms. So thank you, Shreya, for coming us and teaching us a new craft. We really look forward to learning something new today. And I would like to give all the spotlight to you. Please teach us something very exciting.
Thank you so much, Khushbu, for giving this beautiful introduction. Hi guys, I'm Shreya Gupta. We are here to learn this dot mandala technique on coffee mugs. Not even coffee mugs you can make on any ceramic. You can use your जो भी आपका waste stone पड़ा हुआ होगा घर पे, या फिर you can use your flower pots, you can use your glasses, like glass glasses. You can use any thing which you want to like create this dotting techniques on it. I'm using this white coffee mug for the dot mandala. So what all materials we would need? So we need the dotting tools like these. We will need this few dotting tools. If you don't have this dotting tools, you can use earbuds, you can use toothpick, you can use any pen ka back part, you can use any brush जो आपके brushes होते हैं. For example, this brush, you can use this back side of it. Okay, and you can use any like sharpening thing for this dotting tool. So what we gonna do the process, I'm gonna teach like how this on the mug you can get the accurate dots, accurate shapes, patterns with the intricate designs. Whatever the design you're gonna make, you have to be accurate, because mandala is a Sanskrit word which means circle. We make circles on the particular surface. Either it will be a plane, either it will be a round, either it will be any surface it can be. We have to be the accurate. So for that, few like in if you आप जब शीट में बनाते हो मंडाला, you can use few geometrical things with that, but यहाँ पर हम वो rounder, protractor वगैरह we cannot use that. So उसके लिए few techniques I'm gonna teach you how you can be accurate in this particular dot mandala techniques. So ये tools मैं कुछ use कर रही हूँ. I have few big tools also which I'm gonna use like this. These are the big tools which I'm going to use. And paints. So for paints, I'm using acrylic paint, because क्या होता है जब आप ceramic पे paints use करते हो, आप poster color अगर use करते हो, it will wash away. आप जब भी उस पे कुछ भी बनाओगे, and then when you use water, or if you like आप कोई भी mug को use करोगे, उसको wash करोगे, तो it will wash off.
Right.
So उसके लिए you have to use acrylic paints. And if you guys are using the glass, जो आपका पीने का glass है, आप वो यूज कर रहे हो, तो यू कैन यूज द ग्लास पेंट्स. ग्लास पेंट्स आप यूज कर सकते हो, और आप एक्रिलिक भी यूज कर सकते हो. सो आज तो हम एक्रिलिक से कर रहे हैं. सो वन मोर थिंग इज देयर, जब आप ये एक्रिलिक से पूरा मंडाला बना लोगे ऑन एनी कॉफी मग और एनी सेरेमिक थिंग विच यू आर यूजिंग, कीप इट फॉर 24 आवर्स, लेट इट ड्राई, लेट इट सोक दैट पर्टिकुलर, सेट होने दो उसको, कलर को, उस पेंट को उस पर्टिकुलर सरफेस पर. एंड देन एक वार्निश आता है विच इज द आर्टिस्ट वार्निश. वो आप वार्निश उस पे यूज करो, लाइक इट कम्स इन स्प्रे, इट कम्स इन पेंट. सो वो एक ट्रांसपेरेंट लिक्विड होता है जो कि आपके इस पेंट को सिक्योर कर लेता है.
Is
So
it easily available in any of the stationery stores?
yes, it can be easily available on any stationery shop. Just call off any oil or acrylic paint varnish, you will get it. You can note it down. It's artist varnish which comes in acrylic and oil paint based.
Okay.
सो यू कैन यूज दैट वार्निश, और उसके बाद आप इस मग को, पॉट को कभी भी कैसे भी यूज कर सकते हो. जस्ट वार्निश होने के बाद मोर 24 आवर्स उसको सेट होने दो, लेट इट ड्राई, एंड देन यू कैन यूज इट. इट वुड बी अ वॉशेबल थिंग. सो हम जो आज कॉफी मग बनाएंगे, यू कैन सिप योर कॉफी इन योर हैंड पेंटेड मग्स. सो let's start it. So for
Yes.
colors, I'm using this Fevicryl. These are my favorite ones. For the acrylic colors, I'm using the chrome yellow. I'm using the teal. Just a second.
So if any of our participants do not have these specific colors, can they
Yeah.
be
So if they do not have this specific color, they can use any bright colors. Like अगर आपका mug black color का है, तो you can use any bright colors. Yeah. So like Anita is having black color mug, so you can use any orange, yellow, bright green or red which comes like हाँ जो उभर के आएगा. Yes. If आपका mug white color का है, जैसे कि मेरा है, you can use little darker colors. Like I'm using blue, I'll use black, I'll use green, I'll use blue. So like these. और अगर आपका किसी दूसरे पेस्टल कलर का मग है, तो उस हिसाब से आप उसका कॉन्ट्रास्ट कलर लीजिए जो कि डॉट मंडाला पे उभर के दिखे. लाइक अगर पेस्टल पिंक है या पेस्टल ग्रीन है, तो आप सिमिलर शेड्स मत लीजिए. यू कैन मेक अ क्लासी थिंग विथ यूजिंग द डार्कर शेड ऑफ दैट मग, इफ और एल्स यू कैन गिव अ पेपी shade to it, which I'm gonna give it. So मैं अपने white mug के ऊपर थोड़ा सा peppy shade दूंगी. I'll use the chrome yellow, I'll use lemon yellow, I'll use the cerulean blue, I'll use the teal. So मैंने ये colors निकाले हैं थोड़े से palette में. So अगर आपका palette, अच्छा एक्रिलिक कलर की वन मोर थिंग आई रियली वांट यू गाइस टू शेयर. लाइक आप जब पैलेट में कलर निकालते हो एक्रिलिक कलर, तो उसको तुरंत वॉश ऑफ कर दो. अगर आप तुरंत वॉश ऑफ नहीं करोगे तो वो उसमें रह जाएगा और फिर वो वॉश ऑफ नहीं होगा. सो फॉर दैट यू कैन यूज द वेस्ट, जो भी एग्स, अगर आप लोग के घर में एग्स के जो पैकेट्स होते हैं, जैसे मैंने ये यूज किए हैं, आई हैव पुट द कलर्स इन इट and I'm using that. और अगर जब ये एक्स्ट्रा भी बचेगा तो मैं उसको कवर करके रख दूंगी और वो ड्राई नहीं होगा.
It's a very nice sustainable way to use the plastic.
Thank you so much. Okay, so I'm gonna start it. So जैसे first of all आप अपना मग इस तरीके से सेट कीजिए ताकि वो एक स्टेबल रहे. अब आप जब आपका हाथ है लेफ्ट हैंड, इफ यू आर अ राइटी और लेफ्ट, whatever the free hand it would be, just hold your mug like this and then do everything like this, so that जब भी आप अगर ऐसे रख के भी करोगे तो वो मग ऐसे ही हिलेगा. So उसके लिए you have to hold your mug like this very tightly and then you have to do everything on this. All right.
Susan is asking how many colors do we need? Do we need just particular 4 colors, or they can be experimental with this?
You can get experiment with n number of colors. It's completely your choice. If you guys have all these color which I'm having, you can use the same shades of mine, or you can use n number of colors. Like आप जब अभी first 2 rounds बनाओगे, then only you will get to know how beautiful it can be, and you can experiment with different colors. Just make sure अगर white base है तो white मत use करना, अगर black base है तो black मत use करना. Like whatever the base is color, don't use the similar shade, use the different contrast shade.
Something bright that's easily visible on the surface.
Yes. All right, so I'm going to use, like I'm holding my mug like this. I'm going to use first the lemon yellow. What I'll do, this is my dotting tool. First I will just dip it into it, and सेंटर आपको जब अपना देखना है तो आपको थोड़ा अंदाजा अपना लगाना पड़ेगा. कहीं भी आप जब डॉट लगाओगे तो वो आपका मेन सेंटर होगा. मंडाला में हमेशा यू हैव टू जस्ट गेट इट क्लियर कि आपका सारा चीज कम्स विथ एक्यूरेसी. सो दिस इज द फर्स्ट डॉट आई एम पुटिंग इट हियर. अब whatever I am gonna make, it will be on the same base. Just keep the waste cloth with you to just wipe those dot tools. All right. I'll just make it easy. Okay, so this is the lemon yellow I have used. Now I will use the chrome yellow like this outside it. So accuracy ke liye what I am doing, I am putting the first dot below it. एक ऊपर, one, the other one on the right. It very close, not very far.
Okay.
And on this. So this is how you're gonna be with the accurate dots. अभी जब मैंने ये 4 बना लिए हैं इसमें, then I will make sure कि जो मेरा next आएगा वो इसके एकदम सेंटर में आएगा. Next इसके सेंटर में आएगा. Also, one more thing you have to make sure, guys, when you work on the ceramic, we would need little heavy texture base paints. Because अगर आपका बहुत ज़्यादा liquidy base रहेगा तो वो एक दूसरे में merge हो जाएगा. What I have done, मैंने color थोड़ा half an hour और 15 minutes before निकाल के रखा था in my palette, ताकि वो little थोड़ा सा गाढ़ा हो जाए, like thicker in thickening side. अदर ये जो एक्रेलिक पेंट्स हैं ये थोड़े लिक्विड बेस में आते हैं, आपको हैवी बॉडी बेस भी मिलता है, वो भी आप यूज कर सकते हो. तो अभी मेरे पास अवेलेबल ये था, सो मैंने थोड़ा सा बाहर निकाल के रखा है, विच इज माय टेक्निक कि उसको थोड़ा सा मैं गाढ़ा होने दूं ताकि वो जब मैं डॉट बनाऊं तो वो टिक जाए उस पर, लाइक इट विल नॉट स्मज. ओके, वंस दिस इज डन.
Shreya, Aarti is asking if you can show them the technique for those who do not have the tools. Can you show them the technique of how to do with a toothpick or any other home available item?
All right. So I will just give you example of this earbud. So I'll use this earbud. I'll use this other mug. So what I will do, this is the dot I will put. Okay. For example, if आपकी जो toothpick है, I don't have toothpick right now, but for example, this is the toothpick. आपको उससे एकदम tiny dots बनाने हैं, like this. This is how you have to create the base.
So first we create the base and then we fill the small gaps between each of them.
Yeah. So base is first is like कि आप अपना first circle बना ले रहे हो and then उसके बाद आप जो भी कर रहे हो उसके बाद उसके basis पर कर रहे हो.
Okay.
Okay. So I will put blue dot inside it.
I hope all our participants are able to keep up with your pace. And if you think if she's going a little too fast or too slow, please tell us.
Yeah, please let me know.
So that we can have a smoother conduct and all of you all can catch up with the art form.
So meanwhile, I'd just like to request everyone to log in from your own names, because tomorrow onwards we wouldn't be able to let you in if you are joining from another name that is not the name that you've given while confirming the workshop.
Thank you, Mokshi, for this information. So guys, from tomorrow onwards, whatever name you have registered yourself, please make sure that's what your username on the Zoom is.
And entries would be, the entry window is going to be only 5 minutes from the beginning. So we will allow entries till 3:05 or only 5 minutes from the time of the workshop. So please guys, try and accommodate that. We would love to see you in huge numbers.
Yeah, so now I'm using the teal shade. I hope you guys are coping up with this space.
So I can see many people of various age group trying to keep up. They're busy working on their paint marks. So yes, I think we'll switch the camera to them in a while and see what they have created.
Yeah,
So
yeah.
guys, please keep up with the pace. In few minutes, we would love to see your work.
Yes.
All right. So once you are done with these circles, see guys what I'm doing. I'll just put one dot on above and I'll cover it with tiny dots like this.
Sure, if possible, can you just bring it closer to the camera so everyone can have a clear look of it?
Just a second.
Just if you can lift your mug and show it, get it closer to the camera for once. Yes, that's how we have to create a smaller dots around a bigger circle. Thank you.
Okay, so one thing is there, if you guys have done any mistake, like अगर किसी का कुछ dot किसी में merge हो जाता है, so always carry a earbud with you. Just wet it into the water, dip it into the water. For example, I'll show you. For example, मैंने अगर यहाँ पे कोई dot गलती से लगा दिया है, just dip your earbud into the water and just wipe it like this.
That's
This
easy.
you can do while doing the colors inside the design, so that you will not disturb the other patterns which you have already created beautifully. You can rotate your mug to get easy while making the design. So I have used the chrome yellow for the cerulean blue. For teal, I am using this lemon yellow.
So, Shreya, we have Ekanshi who is requesting to go a little slow. I would just like to tell you, Ekanshi, don't worry. You please try and do it at your pace, and we will try and wait for you. Okay? Let's complete the art, and then you can always send us the picture of, you can create your remaining artwork and then send us the picture.
Yes. I think once everybody is working on their glasses, they can upload the picture on the Instagram. They can tag Rajasthan Studio and Shreya's art page, and we all would love to see each of their work.
Yes.
So I'll quickly write both the Insta handles in the chat section so anyone can have access to it.
Okay. Once this is done, if you see that my one dot is bigger there, I can make the other also a little bigger. Yeah, it's fine now.
It already looks so bright and colorful. I think this would be like a perfect coffee mug for the morning coffee.
Thank you so much. And it would be really great if you hand paint with yourself and then you use that particular thing.
It has so much emotional value to it.
Yeah, so much emotion. I agree. All right. So here I will put a big dot. Look here how diagonally I am putting it. These three dots I'll put.
Okay.
So these dotting tools, guys, you can buy from Amazon, from any art store. Just ask for the dotting tool.
Is
So
there any particular brand that you would recommend?
no, there is no particular brand. If you search on Google also, you will get n number of options there. So dotting tools usually comes in three types. One are these, which I am using. The second are these type of these flats. And the third one will be the round one. That would be a bigger one, which are generally used for in clay making. Uh, Now, after putting this, I'll use the thin dotting tool, and look here, guys, how I'm going to make the petal shape. This is already wet.
So we're just spreading the extra color towards the downside and creating
Yeah.
a petal shape to it.
Yes.
Lovely.
It already looks so lovely.
Thank you. I'm sure you guys are able to match these designs. It's not very tough, but you have to be little patient while using these acrylic colors and dots. Don't get panic if anything will get ruined. I have told that you can use earbud if you have mistaken with smudging the colors into it. And the better way to practice it, you can use sheets. So उस पे आप practice करो and then use this ceramic or any round shape.
So the same art can be practiced on any ceramic surface, like
Yes,
a
yes, yes,
saucer or
completely.
plate
You
or
can, yeah, you can decorate your gamlas, जो planters होते हैं. You
right.
can decorate those also. Just make sure that you varnish it properly so that उसमें हम regularly water देते हैं. You can do that. Any surface you can make, any round surface, any flat surface.
So Shreya, once we varnish it, तो ये regular use में भी हम use कर सकते हैं, right?
Yes, yes, completely. Just after, wait for 24 hours. 24
Okay.
hours, wait to get settled this paint into the mug, and then you do varnish, and then wait for 24 days. 24, not 24, 24 hours.
Hours.
Yeah.
Okay, super.
So within 2 days, we would be having a
Yeah,
full
yeah.
fancy collection of mugs and other
Yes,
ceramic items.
completely.
Yes, definitely.
I think I would love to do it. What do you think, Mokshi?
I would completely love to do it. Like
I will
I think I'm
insist
going
you
to
guys
do it
to try it out.
right after this session.
Yes.
I would definitely insist you guys to try it out. Because what is a better way to, unless like we play with the paint, as per
Okay.
our choice of colors.
Shreya, someone is asking if they can, if there's any particular brand of varnish that we get in the market, or is it like just any varnish?
It comes in artist varnish. You can get the varnish with the brand name Brustro. And आपको एशियन पेंट की भी वार्निश मिलती है जो कि मैं यूज करती हूँ. आई ऑलवेज यूज द एशियन. आपको हार्डवेयर जो भी एशियन पेंट्स की शॉप है वहां पर मिल जाएगी ब्रश वाली वार्निश. जो स्प्रे वाली है विच आई प्रेफर कि अगर आपका कम यूसेज है तो आप स्प्रे वाला आर्टिस्ट वार्निश लेकर आओ. Because वो थोड़ा जल्दी खत्म हो जाता है. I mostly use the Asian paint one.
Hina is asking, brushstroke won't be visible on the mug.
Sorry?
Hina Goyal is asking, brush stroke won't be visible then on mug.
I think she means brusto, the
Strokes,
varnish.
the lines of the brush.
Acha, the varnish. No. Varnish is not visible. Just go for the clear varnish. You can those varnish are available in matte finish, in glossy finish. So you can get any of these. Like आपको सिर्फ दूर से उस पे स्प्रे करना है on particular design, और जब आप ब्रश करोगे तो जस्ट आपको उस पर्टिकुलर डिजाइन पे करना है to seal it. That's it.
Okay. And Shreya, can you also please show the bottle of your varnish so that our viewers get an idea?
Actually, my varnish got emptied, so I don't have this one right now. But I
Okay.
can send you the picture to you guys. You can check for the artist varnish. Khushbu, if you can access the Google, you can check the artist varnish. It's a blue
Sure.
bottle one,
Sure.
and save that image and send it to us.
And after varnishing, is it safe to use in microwave?
Yes, completely.
Okay, so it is completely safe for all kind of regular use.
All kind of regular use. Just a microwave में आप जब use करोगे, make sure आपका जो mug है, जो भी आप mug use कर रहे हो, that would be like adaptable to the microwave.
Right. And this is the same normal varnish that is used on wood, right?
The same varnish.
That is used on wood.
On wood, I would say अगर आप acrylic paint कर रहे हो या oil paint कर रहे हो, उसके लिए ये varnish है. But wood पे भी अगर आप acrylic paint या oil paint कर रहे हो तो उसके लिए varnish है. Like आप plain wood पे ये varnish करोगे तो फिर like this is a paint varnish. So जो कि paint को seal करता है.
So we already see artists have created a lot of, artwork, and they've already decorated their mugs.
Nice.
I think
I'm very excited to
Like-
see their designs. Guys, if when you guys finish it, please do share and post it and tag Rajasthan Studio and my Insta handle, which is official Shreya.
we have Geeta showing us
Yeah.
the work.
Yes, we can. We've pinned Geeta.
Oh,
ma'am to
lovely,
video.
lovely, so beautiful.
I would request all of you to switch on their camera so that we can have a quick look and get back to.
Even I can get a screenshot of it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hi, ma'am.
Wow, ma'am, this is beautiful. So nice.
And we have Vanishi showing us. This is very nice.
Wow, Vanshi.
Oh wow, lovely, lovely.
I'm so glad you're doing it on paper also.
We have Anita showing us.
Oh, nice.
It's on a
nice.
bag. It's coming out very well.
Yeah.
Anita ma'am, you have used very nice colors, very bright and nice colors. I'm glad.
Okay, back to you.
Superb. We have Kiran also who's showing us.
Oh, great.
Superb, Kiran. Then we have Geeta ji who's showing us.
Anjali is also there. So let me just take the camera to her. I
Yeah.
love how artsy they have been. And we have Kalindi who has done it on a beautiful
Oh.
pink mug.
Oh, nice, nice.
Ekanshi.
We have Pavitra ji also.
Yes.
Superb.
What is your feedback, Shreya, on this? Are your students being a quick learner? Are
I
they-
love them. I love them. I am so glad to see this much participation from you guys. You have done really a great job. Or itni, like they have matched my pace, so that's wonderful. So nice. So I'm so glad to see your participation, guys. I would love to, like, if you guys would post and tag both of us on your story, that would be really lovely. We would reshare it. I felt the design was little bit of small, so I'm just adding one more row to it.
Okay. I just feel that dot art is extremely therapeutic.
Extremely.
It in itself, yeah, it is. I mean, just looking at it is so therapeutic. I'm sure doing it would be more fun.
I think
Also,
I was just like,
what would be a better gift for your mom, dad, if you gift your hand painted mugs to them? If you, even if to your
Correct.
friends also.
True,
Like
true, true.
in this period, in this COVID period, you like they would be really happy to receive the gifts of handmade ones rather
Correct,
than
correct.
taking like buying from the outside.
Completely true. Completely agree with that one. Our parents don't want us going out.
Yeah, they would be really happy to see that. The
I
same
think
process, I will follow it. That petal one, uh, this thing. I guess one stroke is enough if your dot is not very thick. Sorry, not very broad.
so we can create a similar once this part of the mug is dry, we can create a similar design on the back side
Yeah,
of the
and even if this is not enough, like if you guys want to like stay till here, you can stay till here, or else you can make one more design. I'm going to show you.
Okay. So like I would love my mug to be this elegant.
yeah.
I would probably not skip my morning milk and
So if you
coffee then.
see, I have given a touch of yellow in between. So there
Hmm.
should be a yellow part outside also, which I'm giving a effect to it. So the choice of color in dot mandala is very important.
Hmm.
Is it has to be like a combination of a complementing colors or like
You
for
can
some neutral colors?
like if I would say that art symbolizes the mindset of yours, like आप जो भी colors use कर रहे हो, it would be your mindset. Like if you are like red symbolizes the passion, the brightness, that junoon, the strongness, so people use more red. So I like to prefer something like peppy plus classy. So that's why I've uses this teal shade, which is subtle, and the bright one,
Right.
which
Yeah.
yellow, which is lively and friendly in nature. So yeah.
Hmm.
So your art says a lot about you, which I feel.
So Shreya, we have a message from Hina.
Okay.
She says that very, very well explained, and she's glad that she took this
Oh, thank you so
series.
much. Thank you so much, Hina. I would really love to see your artwork, what you have created. I hope that
Okay.
my insights would help you guys in creating other things also, like pots and glasses and other things.
Definitely. I think after this, most of us are gonna go and experiment all the crockery that is available at.
Okay, so like if I have put in the yellow outside, so it's looking little bright but not covering up. So वो थोड़ा सा कम visible हो रहा है. So उसको I'll give a more visibility by putting a very tiny dots of blue, which is a cerulean blue, which give a completeness to it. So maybe my cup would be a bigger one. आपका अगर कप छोटा होगा तो आपकी शायद डिजाइन फिनिश हो चुकी होगी. But just watch the process, which will be really helpful for you to make the designs on broader one. So once this dot is done.
Superb, superb. So till then, Khushbu, can we highlight Vanshi's daughter's art form?
Definitely.
I would love to watch what that kid has created.
Vanshi, can you please? Yes. Okay. She has started her camera.
Oh, wow.
Just created
Wow.
such minute details.
Yeah, imagine an 8-year-old kid doing that. This is lovely, Vanshi.
Can we have the poll question round also?
Yes, we will quickly do that. So, okay, guys, get your polling, get your answering instincts ready for this.
I'm watching you all. I hope this poll question would be a great insight for you guys.
Yes, I think we're gonna learn a lot. So let's see how much people know and how. Of course, they're gonna take a good. They're gonna learn by the end of the session, but still.
Yeah.
Mokshi, do you know the answer for this?
First,
Yeah.
repeat the question. If
So the question is, dot mandala was originated from which of these? First is Asia, second is Aboriginal Australia, third is Indonesia, and fourth is China.
And nobody's
I mean,
answered.
I think I know the answer. I'm not sure if my answer is right.
Okay. I think we'll figure out by the end of this.
Yeah, yeah, we surely will.
So we've like a couple of people need to answer, and then we can have a final vote in front of everybody. So
Okay.
quickly cast your vote on the answer.
guys, don't worry if you are wrong. We won't judge you because this is the thing.
Because we won't know who has answered what.
That's right.
Okay,
So if you
okay.
answer wrong, you'll get to know, like you learn something. That would be like a newer takeaway.
Correct. Exactly, exactly. So we have our answers here. And the results are 46% have voted for Asia, 43% have voted for Aboriginal Australia, and 11% have voted for Indonesia. No one for China. I guess we are still too angry at China.
we are.
Just kidding. So Shreya, we would like to know what the real the correct answer is.
Yeah, so correct answer is Aboriginal Australia. Because like if we have heard this, hear this word mandala, so it consists from ये Asia से आया है. So basically the mandala is originated from Asian countries only, Southeast Asian countries. The Tibetan Buddhism culture से आया है ये mandala. एंड ये स्प्रेड हुआ है इन होल एशियन कंट्रीज एंड इन एशिया एंड जो डॉट मंडाला दिस पर्टिकुलर टेक्निक है ये आई है एबोरिजिनल ऑस्ट्रेलिया से एंड इट लाइक बहुत ज्यादा वहां पर यूज होता है ऑन स्टोन्स बहुत ज्यादा ऑन लाइक पॉटरीज जो होती हैं वहां पे यूज होता है बहुत ज्यादा पॉटरीज होती हैं एंड स्टोन आर्ट बहुत ज्यादा होता है सो दिस इज द थिंग लाइक आया ये एशिया से है बट डॉट मंडाला बेसिकली टेक्निक एबोरिजिनल ऑस्ट्रेलिया से आई है.
Wow, super. That was great knowledge.
That's a good takeaway.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Yeah. So if you have read our article which Rajasthan Studios have published on my last workshop, they have written that they have clearly written that the dot mandala technique is came from the Aboriginal Australia. I have put this question because I was in hope that people have read that article. If not, then go and get read it. I would be love if you get check out that.
Yes, yes. Thank you so much, Shreya. There is one more question which we would be launching right away. And let's see how many of you all come up with this answer.
Yes.
So this is a very artsy question.
Yes, it is. It is.
If I happen to answer, I'm gonna fail. So I'm not gonna.
So everyone who plays with colors is going to be able to answer to this one.
Yes.
Like, I personally love playing with colors. So, and we have artists here. So I'm hoping that we would have the majority right answer. Superb. Till then, a quick, quick recall to our Insta handles. Giselle, if you can help us with the Insta handles.
Yeah.
We will quickly have those Insta handles, and we would all love to see your work. So please do share your artwork, and if you post it on your Instagram, please tag Shreyart and please
ma'am,
tag Rajasthan Studio.
Geeta ma'am,
please.
your mug is beautiful. I can see that. It's lovely. Oh, Pavitra ma'am, yours is also really beautiful. I guess you have used my shades of colors only. I could see that. So it's looking very beautiful. Similar, exactly similar to mine. Wow, Anita ma'am, so lovely, so lovely. I don't know your name, ma'am. OnePlus 7T phone. Yeah, the green mug, white mug. It's really beautiful.
So OnePlus 7T, ma'am, if you could help us with your name.
Very nice, very nice. Kiran ma'am, very nice, lovely, lovely. You have used the orange mug. Try to use little brighter shade like sky blue or black or white to it, so that it will give you a brighter effect to your mug. The red is like वो थोड़ा उसमें very nice. Dital, very nice. Kalyanti ma'am, very nice, very nice. सबने बहुत amazing बनाया है, बहुत ही beautiful. I'm so glad.
Bottle, I think.
Yeah.
Superb. So pretty, yaar.
I think
everyone's so talented here.
Digital, can you please rename? And you have done it on a cone, which looks very, very different from what most of the people have done.
Yeah. I am not able to see. Oh, that's so beautiful. Oh, great, great, great. What is this cone, Dital? This lovely. You can
Dital,
use
if you can write in comments what this cone is.
Yeah, we would love to see.
Oh, wow.
We have Stephen also showing us.
Okay, superb. Wow, ma'am, that is so beautiful. I like the colors that you've also used.
Yes. And Alpa's been trying to show us something for a while.
Okay, and we have our results also ready. And 53% people believe that mixing red, yellow, and blue gives us brown.
Oh, wow.
Yes. And 37% people say it gives you violet. So what do you think, Shreya?
Yeah, so the correct answer is the brown, because when you mix these three colors, you get the brown shade in an equal proportion. So you can get the shades of light brown, dark brown, and the medium one. So yeah,
superb,
this is
superb.
a very good insights you will get, because जब आप color से play करते हो, so आपको किससे कौन सा color बनाना है वो बहुत ज़्यादा important होता है. So make sure guys you have a good knowledge about the primary colors, कि कौन से primary colors होते हैं, कौन से secondary colors होते हैं. So primary colors basically वो होते हैं जिनको use करके आप secondary colors बनाते हो. So जैसे अगर आप acrylic का color set लेने जाते हो, you will get 6 colors, which is white, black, green, red, blue, yellow. So आप उनको mix करके बाकी के shades बनाते हो. That's why those are the primary colors. So I'm sure that next workshop may we will get like around 80% of these questions, because I always come up with is color se mila ke kaun sa color banta hai, like these of questions. So
That's
I
good.
really enjoy asking it and figuring out, like exploring myself.
That's amazing. I think this is a new takeaway. The two things I've learned today. One is about the dot mandala original and the mixture of three colors that gets come.
That's
Yes,
great.
Khushbu, truly, truly.
So going back to your work desk, is this the final product?
Yes, this is the final product. Like I can go
हाँ,
move ahead. मैं और ज़्यादा कर सकती हूँ. मैं इसको पूरा अच्छे से पूरा paint भी कर सकती हूँ. But I'll stop it here because people will follow it and they will ruin it. Or because जो अभी बनाया है सबने, I could see it's looking lovely and very pretty. And I'm glad that they have completed it in this time.
yes.
And I'm sure that they are happy too with this workshop and grab few insights from me. Yeah.
Definitely.
Right.
So before we end this session, I would love everyone to
Switch
start
on.
their cameras and hold their mugs so that we all can see each other's creation.
Yes, yes.
I'll just
Just before that, 1 + 70, ma'am. आप प्लीज अपना नाम बता सकते हो तो हम
Yeah, even I liked her design, but
you know
ma'am, your mic
so
is
that we can rename you,
Geeta
ma'am.
Parekh.
Geeta Parikh.
Parekh.
मैम बहुत ही सुंदर बनाया है आपने, बहुत अमेजिंग.
Thank you very much.
Thanks, ma'am.
Thank
okay.
you.
Okay, guys.
Thanks to Rajasthan Studio for organizing such a nice workshop.
Thank you, ma'am. It's because
Thank you
of
so
your
much.
blessings and because of all you amazing artists that we love conducting these sessions.
Okay, guys, before we crash, we have our own way of saying goodbye. For those
Yes.
who are attending, they know how do we say goodbye. For those who are attending for the first time, we just face our palms toward the camera. And on a count of 5, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, bye.
Bye.